Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Asana Desktop on Windows. To do that, once you're in your Asana account, simply click your account on the upper right, then click in Profile. You want to edit your profile by clicking on the Edit Profile button there and switch to the Apps section. Here you'll find Asana Desktop app. Click Download here and it's going to take you over to this page where you can easily download Asana for your computer. Click on Download now and it's going to quickly download on your PC. And as you can see, it's almost finished downloading. Once that is done, guys, you want to go ahead and open up the application. As you can see, it's almost ready for me to do. So I'm going to open up my folder here on my PC and you can see that I have it here. So I'm going to double click to run the setup. And here you can see that it's currently doing its thing to install. So I'm going to click right here. And as you can see right here, it is finished and it's now asking me to sign in. So all I have to do now, if I want to sign into Asana, is to simply go ahead and enter my email address. So I'm going to enter my email address right here and click on sign in. And it's going to go ahead and ask me to continue with my Google account in a separate window. So I'm going to do that as it's currently asking me to enter my email. And you can see it right here in a separate window, which I'm showing you. So it's currently signing me in. And here you can see that it's almost ready and it's redirecting me. So it's going to say open Asana. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to try to load me right into the app on Windows. And it's going to quickly load me in. And as you can see, it is loaded in the Asana Desktop application. And here you have it, guys. This is the Asana Desktop application, as you can see from my taskbar. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.